Welcome to my presentation. This is about my assignment on the Raspberry Pi for computer networks and systems, an IoT application for Southeast Technological University in Waterford. And the idea here is simple. There is a problem, that is that of anxiety or addiction to electronic devices. Something is common to software developer students just like me, and I would like to find a way to impose upon myself a limit of the time that I spend on my PC. So the idea is that I can set up a sort of a countdown triggered by my Raspberry Pi upon detecting the IP address presence on the network, and then at the end there will be like a sort of sweet warning with some music that will be played out by through a command by the Raspberry Pi. It's an MP3 song randomly selected from a mini list of songs from Pat Metini. Also at the end of this music, which is basically just a sweet last warning, a picture will be taken with the person that is at the desk through a webcam, and then an email will be sent out, an automated email, by using the Blink app, as well as a notification on the Blink app on the phone. This email will also contain a link of a landing page where the image that has been captured will be uploaded to. So we have, sorry, I'm showing you not exactly what I wanted to show you, let's get started from here. There are several programs that are nesting into each other, so I will just trigger the first one, which is the IP detector. This is basically the program that we use for MAC address in order to detect MAC address during our lectures, but I will show you this one has been basically readapted to detect the IP address on my PC. The scan is started, and I will also show you now what happens on the Raspberry Pi. A digital clock is showing now that the IP address has been found and the countdown has started. As the countdown approaches the final 10 seconds, because I set it up at 30 seconds, not 1 hour now, just for presentation purposes. Colors are changing, and now there is a countdown in terms of numbers showing, and now there is going to be like a warning like this. By using a library, countdown is in here. We're using this library here. This is the countdown function with an if condition. We are calling in the digital clock as we saw before, and now we are calling in instead this library to have the Raspberry Pi talking to us. And right now we have the music PI that has been called in here through this function, Pat Music On, and it's basically this program in here where the function is in here, Pat Music, and Pat Music On is nothing but the Pat Music function merged with animation chords, animated lights function from this program in here. Okay, we have created a function, animated lights, so that we are able to do what? To have this kind of, animated lights effect, like if it was a disco running, sorry about this, running jointly with the music, because otherwise we wouldn't be able to run both programs, like Pat Music function as well as the animated lights function. We have used this library here, thread, we found an article on the internet and readapted the code here in order to then merge the two functions and run them together with this loop here. I cannot go into the weeds too much about this right now, as it would be too long and outside the scope of the presentation purpose of this video. And now at the end of this music, as I said, it is just like a sweet warning. At the end of the music, a picture will be taken and will be uploaded to a landing page that I will show you right now. I call it Instapy. It's kind of a reference to Instagram because it looks like it a little bit. In here, you see there are pictures in which I'm not at the desk, and in this case I'm okay. I won't be scolded by whoever is monitoring me. And instead, here I'm still at the desk. I'm not supposed to be at the desk. I will receive a call from someone, or someone will be dropping by and giving me a piece of their mind, probably. And also there is this ribbon here showing the time when the picture has been taken, so there is no way that I can lie about whether I'm at the desk or not. What is interesting about this is also the fact that this grid is responsive. I was able, as a matter of fact, to find a function for the Node.js code that we see in here. Thanks to this function, according to the width of the screen, I was able to then change the value and the width, of the image, so it will be 100% when the screen is larger than 700 pixels. Otherwise, it will be 20%. 20% gives the grid effect like this, right? So like this. And also, what is interesting in here is also the fact that we added this weather widget with the idea of, sometimes people that are like stuck in their room working on a program or a computer, they lose the sense of time. And so I thought a funny thing could be just to add like this widget to check the weather, like this one. Now we are almost, I think, at the end of this music. Oh, sorry. Okay, this is the subscription in here. It's better that we observe here, because in a while we should be able to see that the blink app or blinking mail app will be activated. And the email will be sent out. I'm going to be able to show you the whole thing. In the meantime, here the animated lights go on at the music's rhythm, more or less. Okay. Now we will see that blink will be triggered in here. Program is in here, right? The image will be captured and then it will be uploaded. Okay, there you go. Email sent off to your mom with your picture, and now you got yourself into trouble. If you are still on the desk, the image has been published. The subscriber has also received it, and here should be able to see. Yep, we have received the mail as well. You see, everything is in there. And also we can refresh the landing page and we will see that there is an image more which has been uploaded. Thank you very much.